This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Randy and Beth Middleton. Welcome to this adorable 1925 bungalow home, completely restored with lots of original charm and beautiful Florida native landscaping on an oversized lot in the heart of Largo. This craftsman bungalow features a champion, award-winning old oak tree and is complete with original poplar wood flooring throughout, re-glazed footed tub and cast iron corner sink, doors with keyhole entry, built-ins and farmer's kitchen sink, restored wood-burning fireplace, and replica or restored chandeliers. And there is a front porch swing. Additional features include stainless steel appliances and granite counters in kitchen, screen-enclosed rear porch with laundry hookups, detached garage with laundry hookups and attached shed, metal roof, tankless water heater, water softener, central vacuum system, and privacy fence. No flood zone. No HOA. No rear neighbors. Just a short walk away to quaint downtown Largo with shops and restaurants, library, Central Park and performing arts centers, and a short drive to the best beaches around. For more information, review the details below.